Asia's love of crypto is growing fast, but what are the hurdles that need to be overcome to get even more investors involved? Welcome to the Daily Forkast, March 2nd, 2022. I'm Angie Lau, Editor-in-Chief of Forkast, covering all things blockchain. Well, mainstream interest in crypto is on the rise across Asia, with more than 1 in 10 South Koreans trading with crypto and almost 1 in 5 wealthy Indians jumping on board. We're going to take a look at why some people can't get enough of crypto while others remain reticent. It could unlock the key to mass adoption. All that, plus a whole lot more, including the crisis in Ukraine, coming up. Let's get you up to speed from Asia to the world.
Join thousands of NFT traders who already start their day on CryptoSlam.
We begin with the crisis in Ukraine and the latest on the moves from the crypto world to support people in the conflict zone. Gavin Wood, the founder of Polkadot, has donated $5 million worth of DOT after the country expanded fundraising efforts by adding the cryptocurrency to the list of those it's accepting donations in. Meanwhile, the Solana Foundation and Everstake are collaborating with the Ukrainian government in setting up a decentralized autonomous organization, or DAO, named Aid for Ukraine, to raise funds directly for civil aid. However, while Ukraine's Vice Prime Minister and Minister for Digital Transformation, Mikhailo Fedorov, has called for crypto exchanges to freeze addresses linked to Russian politicians, Kraken FX says it cannot freeze accounts without a legal requirement to do so. And a spokesperson for Binance told CNBC that such a move would actually fly in the face of the reason why crypto exists. Still, others are acting. According to a Bloomberg interview, Hong Kong-based Animoca is cutting its service to Russian users and stopping the sale of shares to Russian investors in response to the invasion of Ukraine. Minister Fedorov has now tweeted his thanks for the support Ukraine is receiving from the crypto community. Meanwhile, India's super rich are gaining confidence in crypto. According to local media, a report by property consulting firm Knight Frank, 18% of ultra-high net worth Indians have invested in digital assets. Just in case you are wondering, ultra-high net worth individuals are defined as having investable assets in excess of $30 million. Now, 10% of them have gone for cryptocurrencies, while 8% have chosen to invest in NFTs. However, some respondents said the volatility of the crypto market is making them reluctant to invest, while a third said security concerns were holding them back from investing. Most significantly, over 60% say they do not understand the market sufficiently yet. Could be that will change when or if the government clarifies its position on the legality of crypto in India. You can find those stories and more at Forkast.news. Well, staying on that theme, South Korea's financial regulator has revealed that more than half of the country's crypto traders are aged in their 30s and 40s. Now, that's an older age group than the two leading candidates in the upcoming presidential election may have hoped. So could that hurt their chances at getting the youth vote? Forkast's Danny Park reports.
South Korea's crypto market has a total capitalization of almost $46 billion and an average daily trade volume of just over $9 billion. And some of the findings of the first report from the country's Financial Intelligence Unit on the crypto market in the country are very interesting. Among a population of over 51 million, 5.58 million are crypto traders. That's over 1 in 10 people. And while Bitcoin and Ethereum are responsible for 59% of investments in the global cryptocurrency market, Koreans are much less into them, with the two major tokens taking up just 27% of the one-to-crypto market. Not only that, Korean crypto traders are older than some might expect. 31% of them are in their 30s, while 27% are in their 40s and just 23% are in their 20s. Indeed, the two leading candidates in Korea's presidential election, which is just 1 week away, have made promises to promote digital assets in their efforts to captivate the interest of younger voters. Those efforts include Democratic candidate Lee Jae-myung's promise of stronger investor protection and People Power's Yoon Suk-yeol's plans for a digital industry promotion agency. Both are pushing to institutionalize virtual assets. One expert told Forkast that such campaign moves are vital.
저는 앞으로 이제 4차 산업혁명을 이끌어갈 것이 오프라인에서 온라인으로 오게 되면서 이 가상자산도 아주 중요한 역할을 하게 될 것이다. 그러한 확신이 들기 때문에 실제로 거래가 수조 원 되는데 이걸 무시하고 방치할 수 없기 때문에 이렇게 공약을 내놨다. 저는 그렇게 보고 있습니다.
And even if there aren't as many crypto investors aged in their 20s as the candidates may have hoped, they still play a significant role.
주식 거래가 하루에 한 10조 원 정도 되는데 그 금액에 버금갈 정도로 가상자산에 투자하는 20대, 30대가 워낙 많습니다.
We'll be keeping watch for the result of next Wednesday's election. For Forkast, I'm Danny Park.
And finally today, hackers behind a data breach on chipmaker Nvidia have threatened to release a driver that unlocks mining limitations on the company's graphics cards. Forkast's Timmy Shen has more.
The hacking group Lapsus allegedly stole 1 terabyte of data from Nvidia's network last week. According to PC Magazine, the group then threatened to release the driver for sale if the chipmaker refused to provide an update that would allow its light hash rate limiter on its graphics processing units, or GPUs, to be removed. Nvidia began installing the light hash rate limiter on its GeForce RTX series of GPUs early last year to make them less desirable to miners. Demand for the cards outstripped supply at the time, as users found they could be reprogrammed to mine crypto, leaving gamers unable to get their hands on them. The hackers posted their latest demands on Telegram on Wednesday morning Asia time, requesting Nvidia commit to completely open sourcing their GPU drivers for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux forever. In the message, the hackers gave Nvidia a deadline of Friday to meet their demands. According to Bloomberg, Nvidia has said they do not anticipate any disruption to their businesses or ability to serve customers as a result of the incident. Forkast has asked Nvidia for comment, but none had been received by Wednesday afternoon Asia time. We'll be keeping close watch on what happens on Friday. For Forkast, I'm Timmy Shan.
And that's the Daily Forkast from our vantage point right here in Asia. We bring you the latest news from the blockchain world. So why not hit like, hit subscribe, hit that alert button. Fresh videos and fresh reports Monday to Friday. We appreciate it always. Visit Forkast.news for more. I'm Forkast Editor-in-Chief Angie Lau. Until the next time.